Hi, my name is Fazal Rahman and we are going to discuss what is the data layer. So when you connect your website with the Google Tag Manager, it is not enough. So basically what are happening on your website, it is added and in a list. So basically the list collected all the information which are happening on your website, and this information would read by the Google Tag Manager, and this list is known as the data layer. So basically when so basically all the information does not automatically go to the list. You have to push this information to go to this list, and which is known as the data layer push. So when this information would present in the specific in the data layer list, so this would be read by the Google Tag Manager, and Google Tag Manager will react according to their list to all your tags, all your variable, all your trigger, all completely depend upon the data layer. So how can we check there? For example, if you go to the inspect and you go to the console, so in this browser still there is a list present. List means that it is the array contains the multiple or number of the values. For example, when I check the console, so when I check that console log window data, so you will see that there is a number of the objects are present, number of the values are present. It means that all the things which are happened on the website currently which are stored in this list. So this list would be read by the Google Tag Manager, and Google Tag Manager will react. For example, when I open this list, you can see that first of all I just open this list. So this is the list. This is a Google. It means that it is created by the Google Tag Manager itself. It means that Google Tag Manager started to read what are present, what are happening on the website. Okay, so you will see what. So you can see GTM DOM. It means that our page HTML structure has been completely loaded, and you will see also the window loaded, which shows that our completely page is loaded. So it means that all the information which are happening on your website will be added on this list, and there then the Google Tag Manager will read from this list. And what is the push? Basically you have to tell the website what have to what have to put this in the list, what have to not put in this list. Because for example, if someone click on the button on your website, so if you not want to present in the list, in this list, which are known as the data layer, you do not want to data layer someone someone click on your button and this action would not present on the data layer. So this is in your control, you would not add this. But if you want to add this, you know, and then you have to push. Basically it is a function, it is a function of the JavaScript. You have to write a function, a code which would send this information to the data layer, and from the data layer this information will read by the Google Tag Manager. So I think you will understand what is the data layer. So this is from me. Thank you so much.